Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring power and proximity so signals can reach each other. Turn Bluetooth on now and set the device visible or into pairing mode. This lets the other unit discover you. Once done, close any apps using audio or location because they can block the stack. If the adapter won't respond, toggle airplane mode for about 5 to 10 seconds to reset radios. This forces a fresh hardware initialization before you proceed to pairing. You should now scan and select the target device. Accept or enter the PIN when prompted because secure pairing prevents spoofing. On computers, check Device Manager or System Information and update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver to fix protocol mismatches. On phones, install pending OS updates which include radio fixes. If a peripheral won't pair, reset that accessory by holding its power button for 10 seconds so it forgets old links. Then retry from the beginning to establish a clean connection. Once paired, verify function by sending audio or a file and set the device as default for calls or media so the OS routes correctly. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone or run the network troubleshooter on a computer. Backup Wi-Fi passwords first because this erases them. Finally, remember a practical troubleshooting tip. Move both devices closer, remove sources of interference like microwaves or crowded 4 GHz traffic, and reboot both units to clear transient radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.